What separates the wealthy from the rest? Is it luck, inheritance, or something else? Today we will explore the world of financial freedom, a world where money works for you, not the other way around. The wealthy have a different set of rules when it comes to money, 12 secret rules to be precise that guide their decisions and shape their financial destiny. These money rules are not taught in schools or universities, but they are the very foundation of every successful wealth-building journey. This video is your gateway to these secret rules, your roadmap to financial independence, and your guide to thinking like the wealthy. Open your mind and prepare to see money in a whole new light. Embark on this journey to learn the 12 secret money rules only the wealthy know about. Rule number 1, focus on cash flow, not net worth. Now, what does this mean? Well, think of net worth as a snapshot. It's a still image of your financial situation at a given point in time. But life isn't a snapshot, it's a movie. It's constantly moving, changing, evolving. That's where cash flow comes in. Cash flow is the lifeblood of your finances. It's the income that flows into your bank account on a regular and consistent basis. Now, why is this so important? Because cash flow allows you to sustain a certain lifestyle, meet your financial obligations, and invest in your future. It's the money that keeps your financial engine running day in and day out. And remember, it's not about how much you have in the bank today, but about how much is coming in tomorrow. So let's shift our focus from accumulating a lump sum to building steady, predictable income streams. Rule number 2, pay yourself first. This may sound a bit counterintuitive, right? However, it's one of the most crucial principles of personal finance. Here's the concept. Before you pay your bills, buy groceries, or even splurge on that new gadget, set aside a portion of your income for savings. Think of it as a reward to your future self, a nest egg that grows over time. It's not about being selfish, but being sensible. This is an essential step in achieving financial stability. Now, you might be wondering, how much should I set aside? Well, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Some suggest 10%, others 20%. What's important is to start somewhere and be consistent. And remember, paying yourself first isn't just about saving, it's also about investing. Make your money work for you, build your wealth. Rule number 3, leverage debt smartly. The idea of debt may seem daunting, but not all debt is created equal. There's good debt and bad debt. Bad debt, like credit card debt, depletes your wealth, often with high interest rates and no tangible assets to show for your spending. On the other hand, good debt can actually help you build wealth. Think of taking a mortgage to buy a house or a loan to start a business. These are examples of good debt. They're investments that, over time, can appreciate in value or generate income. The key is to manage this debt wisely. Ensure your debt is affordable, aligns with your financial goals, and can potentially yield a return. So, don't fear debt. Instead, harness it. Use it as a tool to create opportunities and amplify your wealth. The wealthiest individuals use debt as a strategic lever to accelerate their financial growth. Rule number 4, have multiple streams of income. Yes, you heard it right. Wealth isn't built on a single stream of income. It's like building a castle on a single pillar, risky and unstable. Diversifying income sources is a strategy that the wealthy have mastered. It's not about working multiple jobs, it's about having your money work for you. Think about passive income. Passive income is money you earn without actively working, like royalties from a book you've written, or rent from a property you've invested in. It's about making smart investments that continue to pay off, even when you're not clocking in hours. Consider the millionaire next door. They might have a well-paying job, but they also likely have investments in real estate, stocks, bonds, or even a side business. This diversification is their safety net. Remember, in the game of wealth, it's not just about how much you earn, but also how many ways you earn it. Rule number 5, invest in yourself. Let's delve into this timeless secret of the wealthy. This rule isn't about financial investments, but rather an investment of a different kind, an investment in personal growth and development. Why? Because you are your own best asset. Imagine this: the more you learn, the more you earn. Whether it's attending seminars, enrolling in an online course, or reading books, every nugget of knowledge gained is an investment in future opportunities. It could lead to a promotion, a better job, or even inspire you to start your own business. But investing in yourself is not just about accumulating knowledge. It's also about improving your health, building relationships, and nurturing your creativity. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. Remember, the most successful people are often those who never stop learning. They understand that personal growth is a lifelong journey. You are your most valuable asset. Rule number 6, protect your downside. Imagine you're on a roller coaster ride, thrilling and full of ups and downs. Now think of your financial journey as the same roller coaster. The ups are exciting, offering financial progress and growth. But what about the downs? They can be unexpected and turbulent, causing financial damage. Here's where protection comes into play. Just as you buckle up for safety on a roller coaster, you need to buckle up financially too. How? By building an emergency fund and taking out insurance. An emergency fund acts as a cushion for unexpected expenses. It's your safety net in times of financial turbulence. On the other hand, insurance policies act as your financial bodyguard. They protect you and your assets from unexpected financial shocks, such as health issues, accidents, or property damage. Think of it this way: the stronger your financial protection, the less likely you are to lose your hard-earned wealth. Rule number 7, don't chase trends. This rule might seem counterintuitive in our fast-paced, ever-evolving world. But let's take a step back. In the world of finance and investment, trends can be attractive, offering the promise of quick returns. But here's the thing. Trends are not always a reliable indicator of sustainable growth. Investing in trends without proper research is like diving into an ocean without knowing how to swim. You might get lucky, but the risk is high. Instead, the wealthy know the importance of long-term value investing. It's about understanding the market, the company, and the value it brings to the table. It's about making informed decisions, not just following the crowd. Remember, the financial world is not a race, it's a marathon. Consistent, steady growth over time is the key. So don't be swayed by the latest trends or the hottest stocks. Instead, invest with knowledge, patience, and a clear strategy. Rule number 8, give money a purpose. Imagine your money as an employee. Would you hire someone without giving them a job to do? No, right? So why would you accumulate money without a clear plan or purpose? Having financial goals is like giving your money a job description. It provides a roadmap of what you want your money to achieve for you. Whether it's saving for a dream vacation, buying a home, or planning for retirement, each goal gives your money a specific purpose. And it's not just about big-ticket items. Even small daily expenses should be part of your financial plan. When you align your spending with your values and aspirations, every penny you earn has a role to play. That's the power of giving your money a purpose. It turns your financial decisions into stepping stones towards your dreams, so go ahead and put your money to work. Rule number 9, make money using AI. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It's here, and it's revolutionizing the world of finance. AI's primary role, simplifying complex data and predicting outcomes, has made it an invaluable tool for financial management. Think of AI as your personal financial advisor, working round the clock, analyzing market trends, and making calculated predictions. It can help you optimize your investments, identify profitable opportunities, and manage risks effectively. Moreover, AI-powered robo-advisors are shifting the landscape of wealth management. They provide personalized investment advice tailored to your financial goals and risk tolerance, all at a fraction of the cost of a traditional financial advisor. And remember, you don't need to be a tech wizard to benefit from AI. There are plenty of intuitive, user-friendly AI tools out there designed for everyday investors like you. So why wait? Rule number 10. Automate your finances. It's the secret sauce to a worry-free financial life. Think about it. How many times have you forgotten to pay a bill on time or transfer funds to your savings account? Automating your finances eliminates these human errors, bringing consistency to your financial management. By setting up automatic transfers for bill payments, you ensure your bills are paid on time, every time, avoiding late fees and maintaining a good credit score. Next, automating your savings is like paying your future self. With automatic transfers into a savings or investment account, you're steadily building your wealth with minimal effort. And let's not forget about automated investments. These can be set up to buy shares of a mutual fund or a retirement account at regular intervals, harnessing the power of dollar-cost averaging. It's like having a personal financial assistant working for you around the clock. Rule number 11. Maintain a long-term focus. In the world of finance, it's not about sprinting, but running a marathon. The wealthy understand that wealth creation is a long game. It's not about making a quick buck and then squandering it. It's about consistent, calculated moves that accumulate wealth over time. This is where the magic of compound interest comes into play. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it continues to roll, it gathers more snow and grows larger. That's exactly how compound interest works. Your investments may seem small at first, but given time, they grow exponentially. This is why long-term planning is crucial. It allows you to make strategic decisions that align with your future financial goals. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your fortune be. Patience and long-term focus are the secrets of wealth accumulation. Rule number 12, give back. This rule is as much about personal fulfillment as it is about fiscal responsibility. When we talk about wealth, we often think about accumulation of assets, accumulation of funds. But true wealth extends beyond the confines of one's bank account. It's about the impact one can make in their community, their society, even globally. Philanthropy isn't just a pastime of the wealthy, it's an integral part of sustainable wealth management. Whether it's through donations to charities, investing in social enterprises, or even offering your time and expertise for free, giving back not only helps those in need, but also provides a sense of purpose and satisfaction that money alone cannot buy. Remember, wealth is not just about how much you have, but how much you can give. It's about making a positive difference in the world. And while these rules are secrets of the wealthy, they don't have to remain secret. Remember, financial freedom isn't a destination, it's a journey. Start your journey today.